How to mute someone on Snapchat. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily mute someone on your Snapchat. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Snapchat. Tap on your profile. Scroll down. Tap on Friends. Now press and hold the friend you want to mute. Tap on the chat settings. Turn off message notification. You can also turn off games and mini notifications. Then tap on Done. Again press and hold the friend once more. Tap on the story settings. You can turn off their story notifications and also mute their stories. So this is how you can mute someone on Snapchat.